I give you one chain for gear, yeah?
Alright.
So tell her so I come drop that off.
Alright, thank you so much. You know she did it, she did gas still.
Yeah. I'm like General B in the building.
Style him like a jealous job being, I'm saying, representative of Kino. I'm saying live, this platform, and I'm saying the platform of all time, and I'm saying a project all different kind of good energy.
Glide.
One General.
Yeah. See China people, you see me, I say health is wealth, and watch your pattern set up.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Ready for work. Come on, dude. Welcome.
Queen will drive.
Zina, you done work out? Oh,
Come here.
that's a lot.
Well, food. Is it from me down, so?
20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30? Yeah. You got your push-ups to do now and then we're done.
One I rub the thing for me, I want to massage me. I teeth them, I try to
I'm going to turn on the push-ups.
You got more than next to this first.
No, Panama.
No, I'm going to do a push up first.
Yeah.
Oh, she's going to get to your pocket.
Them just try to convince me to buy this morning.
How long do this? Good, Trisha, good.
Hey, come on. One more. Why is your backside up in the air?
Far apart, your finger. No, why don't you hand it
Well, guys, blessed love, guys, as you can see. The morning how it starts, I'm here with some icons, where they do their fitness workout, I'm here with some dancehall icons, we have General B is here as well too, also we have Nitty Kochi and also Singer, plus others, so this is most of you, I don't know if you probably see some of these things across media when they're here doing them work, getting fit and everything, okay, I don't know if they dance, the music icons and always have to keep themselves fit. Sometimes when you're wondering what they're up to, this is what they're up to early in the morning, so I'm up here in Queens Hill, I got invited here, to come and take a look and get some workout then if I can. I said, why not get some workout and keep fit, Eh?
10. It goes on 10 times. Every day and then still come and do the full workout with us.
You just do what?
We have the intense trainer here, we have
Trisha O'Neill.
Trisha O'Neill, introduce yourself with them now.
Hey, I'm Trisha O'Neill, the elevator, here on the hilltop. motivating ourselves, elevating ourselves, getting that money in, because you know health is real wealth, right?
Yes.
So that's what we do right here up on the hilltop. And we're family, you know, we take care of each other, work out of each other, and we motivate each other. But you first got to have that motivation in yourself, you know what I mean? Up here it's not about age, it's about stage. What stage is your mind in? What do you really want to get out of life? Do you want to be walking with a walking stick at 70, or do you want to be running up that hill and feeling like a champion? It's all up to the stage in your mind, because all is mine. So I hope you'll join us as well soon on the hilltop and come and be a part of the family where health is wealth. Remember, we don't hate, we elevate, because love is the highest frequency.
Yes.
I'm out.
So tell them about some of your merch them and things that they got going on.
Oh yeah, we have the Infinite Energy merch, we have vests, leggings, then for the ladies, we have shorts and tank tops and everything for the men as well, and some in between like hoodies and stuff like that. We can go over and have a look at them in a moment, but you know, if you're interested in getting some, you can contact me 876-228-6513, or you can DM me on TikTok at Trisha the Elevator, and the A is replaced with an 8. Alright, so it's infinite energy in action right here.
I imagine I know we got a lot of viewers where the accent is coming from, because they probably listen to you and like, where is that accent from? You know, we got a lot of people there same way in the UK, you know, so they don't know she's from the UK with that accent.
From UK to JA. Straight.
And it's a fitness first, you know.
Absolutely.
We always try to promote the same thing until they say health is wealth, you know.
That's
so
right.
you can't have wealth without health. Right? It's there, right? Good health is real wealth.
It's real wealth.
So trust me.
That's it.
Them saying when you lose money, you lose nothing. But when you lose health, you lose something. Right? So which one you choose?
That's right. No amount of money can bring back your life.
No.
So live it to the best right now, you know?
Yes. So we have some icons in the building as well too.
Yes. Here you go, bud. You want to see who they are? We got Zinger. Celebrity
Well, I never know. More time when some people see me and say, Kina, you're tall. But one time I finally see Zinger now, I can say, boy, the man really tall.
6'6" and still growing.
6 foot.
I'm full growing crooks.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes.
Big up yourself, celebrity boss in town. Health is a wealth.
Yes.
Remember, put God first in everything. You understand?
I know most of them probably are watching and hear the name Zinger and I'm try to recall. Zinger. Where is this Zinger from again? Give my recap.
Alright, this is
ready already?
Zinger, aka Celebrity Boss. I'm gonna take it on memory lane.
Yeah.
First to ever do it.
Never know. Alright.
What a go on. Me first. The Vaspa program in the street. You know what I mean? What a go on? Me that. Celebrity Boss. You don't know we are Zinger. Then we got Hype TV up on live. We interview every artist. From the art and boss, you have to come see me. And we change up the game and say, yo, Celebrity Boss, because we do it already. And we do it again. We zero the game. Start over again, so they are alive and living. I take with health serious, you know what I mean?
Serious.
And I say, yo, big up the TV, live in Jamaica. So you know, say, I'm there on the spot. I mean, on the spot, I mean, on the spot, I mean, Kina live on the spot in Jamaica.
We're not dead.
Celebrity Boss in town. Salute to our general.
Big up yourself, Zinger. You know, are you on this? Yeah. So with them, I say, everyone is here. We have some icons as well too. You know, so we also have Mickey Kochi as well too, and General building. And guys, let's take a look at the view from up here. So imagine you're working out at the same time, taking a look. Now you got dips over here, you got pull-ups. So I'm going to take on some of the pull-up bar and the dips, you know. I know I never tie hamstring and pull football, so you know I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to athlete too much. Cut to them attack.
I can find myself for that 10 pounds out of $1.
So this is the merch.
Alright, what do you mean?
Right, this is also have shorts.
Now you left boy, this is left boy.
And tops.
$1 like rice, you know man. January gone. The man said, this is how 7 people in go to school. This is how do everything. But they say you left a door. They have nowhere before the country. so nice, but
So just in case if they come and don't bring any gears, you can come and purchase as well too, right?
That's right.
So if you come here and you don't have anything to work out in, you can also purchase one on the spot as well too. It's very affordable, you know, you can go there because as I say, she looking out for each and every one, especially both female and male.
Everyone's pocket is counted for.
Yeah. Everyone, so you're more than welcome. So you can drive in past and see them working out and you say, yes, you want to join that. I don't have no workout kit. It's right here. You know, you can also get them on the website as well. So you can contact her same way as well too. You know, you have Mitty Coach there, all our reasoning, and you have General B there, all our reasoning. So I make them go now big up as well to see them way, you know.
That's right.
So you're right here on Queens Hill, right on top of the hill, so you know it goes. When you're on top of the hill already. Workout off a go on. Alright. So what I can start on? Let me put this in the car.
Yeah.
Let me put this.
Let me get a shout out there.
Yeah.
Kino in Jamaica.
Kino live.
Kino live in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Well, hey guys, it's your girl Trisha O'Neill, the elevator, DJ, radio presenter, entrepreneur, and I'm shouting out Kino live in Jamaica. Make sure you check it out. It's a TV show that you always got to be in tune with. We don't hate, we elevate. Love is the highest frequency.
You hear that? We don't hate, we elevate, and that's what we promote, you know, where it's straight positivity, straight love for support, you know. So you know, we can do some workout as well, so we'll take, you know, guys through that, you know. I'm not doing too much leg workout, but do some upper work so you can see how it'll work, you know. See the man from the bar there. Yeah. Ain't no joke.
So you want to work on first? On your arms, your legs, your chest.
Cause I'm saying never tie hamstring right here, but I'm not play football. I'm playing football, so I kind of have a pull, but it's getting better. So I don't want to act like I'm gonna play a match as well to Sunday. Okay. You know, so I must
take it easy, more stretching and massaging you need to do.
Yeah.
On that then, innit?
Yeah. Okay. So we can do some dips and some pull-ups.
Do some dips and pull-ups, and we can do some curls with the weights.
Yeah.
Bill Gates we can do some of that as well.
It's been a while. I'm gonna do that. Let me put my key down. Some dips and some curls and some this and some that. You know, why not keep fit? I have to keep fit, guys.
Last. Get where you go. Last.
That's it.
Yeah.
That is the familiar face, yeah? You see the familiar face. Yeah, you know. So you're doing some dips, you know? That's one of my favorite, the dips. Yes, Trish.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Yeah, do some routine.
Yeah, he wants to do some dips.
So then dips.
Alright, come on.
So you're the video person now. So how much?
Let's go for 10. 3 sets of 10, right? Ready? I like that. Good posture. I like it. Straight in there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Love it. Now let's do some leg ups. I know you got the thing, but let's do the legs up. So yeah, 10. Nice. 8.
Like that?
Yep. 10. Now straight out. Straight out.
That
Lift
way?
them up. Yeah. There you go. Wow. 2, 3, 4. That's good. That's good. 6, 7. You're doing good. Nice one, Kino. You that? Lovely. It's still going.
Huh?
Yeah, it's going. Lovely.
That 10?
That was 10. All right. So we want to do some back. So you got on the bar. Let me show you. Just recording already.
Okay.
Yeah? All right. So get backward. I've already done this morning, so I'm just going to demonstrate. So you're going to hold the bar, sir. Lean right back. Heels on the bar. Engage your back. Head up. And you're going to chest to bar. Chest to bar. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then you're going to go close. Same way. Chest to bar. And you're keeping yourself like a plank.
Yeah.
Just so. Alright? So we're out here with Kino live in Jamaica. On the hilltop with us. Yes, that's it. Lovely. Lovely. 2, 3. Steady, hold the bar. 5. Keep it straight, do not dip it. 1 straight plank. Keeping it straight, that's it. No dipping in the middle. Straight up. That's right. Just like that. Excellent. 8, don't dip. 9, 10. That's good. Now close. Bring the hands in close and you're going to do the same thing. Right. Push up your pelvic. Push it up. That's it. Perfect. Keep it just like that. Up and down. Just like that. Yep. Yep. Remember, don't dip the middle. Looking good. Am I direct, David? I'm looking good. Yep. That is it. Yeah. 7. 3 more. 2. 1 more. That's it. Excellent work. Excellent. Love that. Thank you. Well done.
Routine.
Yeah. And you're going to do another set of the dips. When David's finished there, you're going to go back and do the dips that you were doing, okay?
Yeah.
So we always do 3 sets. You know this?
Yeah.
3 sets of everything.
Familiar face. Yeah.
Oh, you know David?
No, I'm saying the familiar face.
Oh, right. That's it. Go on, David. He's one of our kings on the bar, David.
Can see?
King David.
You can see?
Yeah.
King David.
Alright, so you now on the dip.
Yeah.
There's some more, Ella.
You going again?
No, man, your time.
No, it's your time on the
Your
dip.
time.
It's been a while, you know?
The muscle has memory though, so it's just making it know that we're back in the game again, you know?
Go down a little more. Don't a little more. Don't a little more.
A bit
Don't a
more.
little more. Yes, push. Control it. Push. Push. Good. Good. Down a little. Good.
Excellent, excellent. Yes,
Good.
Kino.
Push. Last 3. Push. Last 2. Push. Push. Last. Get it.
Yes, Kino. Nice. Nice. Remember your knees up though.
Yeah.
Don't do the knees up. Just going to do the knees up. Want to do it now?
Oh,
Yep.
Your time.
Yep, do it. That's your set, innit? So.
yeah.
You make a time for recuperate.
Alright.
Muscles them getting tight.
Yeah. You're feeling that work.
Yeah.
You're burning out here. Burning.
Burning.
Come on, David. That is it. When I grow up, I want to be like David.
Yeah.
King David, yeah.
We that man, I mean him that
For real. Yeah, man. Lovely. Nice.
This is the better way I try to get bread to sell car. The man to sell new car, I sell old car. You know that kind of
Ready? Knees to the chest, yeah. I just realised what you were doing. Knees to the chest. That's it. Right up, yeah. Right up. There we go. Lovely. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Excellent work.
Yes, guys, let me say, you know, we're there with so the music icons as well too. Tell us a man like General B in the building.
Style him like a jealous jump being, I'm saying, representative of Kino, I'm saying, live, this platform, and I'm saying, it's the platform of all time, and I'm saying, a project, all different kind of good energy, and I'm saying, charity, promotion, and I'm saying, if you want your video premiere on the program, and I'm saying, what we talk about your new song, there's so much potential on this platform, and I'm saying, so guess what, keep it in mind and stay online, to the right.
I know General B is a fitness man as well, you know. He was going to get him fitness done as well. So me I try to keep up with them right now. You know, right now, static. You know, not on them. Can't move. My arms and feet stiff.
Yeah. One more set.
One more set.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, we don't play, we don't run from it.
Yeah.
No, when we're feeling that pain, that's when we know we're really working now. And then we'll just go in.
When I used to train, the coach used to say, yo, don't waitress. You know, don't waitress, get on the weights right away.
That's right.
No waitress. Can I have one more set?
One more set.
All this way. Let me show them what I'm going on. Right now the muscles them get tight. Guys, muscles them get tight, swell. You know, it's been a while I haven't get this. Trust me.
But it feels like what? Feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay.
Feels good.
Feels good to get well feel.
And you know what gonna be the best thing? The sleep.
Yeah.
You know, after these workouts, I get a good night's sleep.
Good night's sleep.
That's the best sleep you can
True.
get.
Telling
after
you.
your workout, you're dropping the bed like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the muscles rest and they grow.
Yeah. I know me as a man, I love the workout, you know. I know why I feel like running.
Skipping. Let me get the skipping rope out for you, you know.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna still here. I'm not running from it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, don't laugh at me, just see me, right?
No man, he's doing good out here.
Yeah.
His form is good. So we're gonna see you go nice and low on this last set, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you got now.
This is always the killer. The last one. You know?
But it's the filler. So you wanna see your muscles just fill out now.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Alright. Wow.
Let's go. 1, 2, a bit lower, yeah. 3, 4, 5, there we go. Down in the bucket. Down in the bucket, let's go. 6, let's go. You got it, you got it. Come on, feel that shake, let's go. There we go, come on. Come on, you got it, man, you got it. Get up there. Up there, up there, up there. Come on, Kino. 3 more, let's go. Nice and easy. 2 more, come on. Come on, 1 more. Nice and low. Come on, breathe. Breathe. Yeah, there we go. You see? You are your own challenger. You did it. You did it. And then all you got left.
Alright then.
David, more love, yeah? All you got to do, the last set is your knees up.
Yeah.
And I think you got your back.
Yeah.
And then you've done a good amount of reps, almost about 100.
Yeah. Push out more.
There you go. Alright, so we want 10 knees nice and high to the chest. And crunching. Ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, higher. 7, higher. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to give me 2 slow. Slow. Up. Up. Nice. There we go. Lovely. Now we're gonna You're gonna do the back, give yourself a rest, walk it out.
Young Max.
Walk it out.
Yeah, man, move now.
Walk it out. That's it, and I'm gonna get my jelly and hydrate as well. Walk it out.
Go big up Kochi.
Big up Kochi out here.
The car start glide.
One general.
Yeah. See China people, you see me I say health is wealth. And watch your pattern set up.
Yeah.
So when you wake up in the morning, that's the first thing where you really know say your life. Plug in and work. So health. And I say when you wake up you don't have no problem, you know. You wake up, you have health, you have health, no liquor, health. You don't have no problem. Because I say, boy, I don't have no money. I don't have no woman, I don't have no house, I don't have no car. But you wake up, and I wake up important. Because if you never wake up, you wouldn't think of car or house and car. You understand our health. So all them things that we have to do nowadays, and you have to make yourself be the most important factor in your life. Which is probably the most important person in the mirror. Just go look in the mirror, you will see it. You understand? So you have interest in that person and make sure you don't have the bag of friend. You have tree friend, you have the leaf friend, you have the branch friend, you have the root friend. See, the leaf friend go away at seasons, the branch will break at times, but the root will never leave you. So make sure you have a root friend at all times. See, and them say anything you go so. And lap this over them, you see that? Then I go back so and put it back again and lock them over so. I say if you have a friend you can take care of your friend them. See that you listen up. You can take care of your friend them.
That's right.
No, your friend them can take care of you.
There you go.
So if it can't work so, it can't work. Understand? So you have to learn that nowadays, woman, if a man can't put none to the table, he's a weak man. And if the woman can't put none to the table, she's a clown. That's all I can say. See, because everybody put together so, and meet everybody each, it becomes one and everything work equal and nice. So. Understand that means if you are my woman, you are work and me are work, it's better for you two of you know. But me are work, it's only better for you because you're not work and me have still mind you. See? I'm thinking that the at the house and not the house neither. You watch TV, you go on Google, eat ramen noodle and try to raise food. You can't deal with that.
It's a food like
you're there at home, big house, you know. You know, not time I live life and stress me. The bill for the light bill of 100,000, the water bill of 20, the cable bill of 7,500, your phone bill and the food bill and some other bills. See, etc. The list goes on. And I'm here alone. Nah, man, it's all tough, man. I'm not telling you like, even me as Zara, it's still rough. You understand me? I say so. If you get up and do something, man, be an independent factor in your life, not in somebody else's life, in your life. So it can't be in somebody's life. You understand me? I say so. I'm gonna have to understand them thing there. And no man is better than a man. No man is better than leeching and no man is better so we have people money better than you, them in a better position. See, so if a position you want, fight for the position. And when you get it, make you side. You understand? And that me have to tell a man nowadays, and exercise is the best health. It's started from God doctor. This is the best doctor there is. People me not go doctor. Me kill me not say me kill doctor, but doctor me kill all of them something, you know. And kill laziness.
Drop the pill and do the hill.
Yeah, drop the pill and do the hill.
Drop the pill and do the hill.
That's what a man said. A man to tell a man say, a woman to tell a man say, yo, my husband have sugar. What do you think he's supposed to do? What do you think he's supposed to do? Me ask him.
Get rid of the sugar.
Just stop dealing with sugar. And sugar will stop dealing with you. But if every day you consume a little bit of sugar, which is in a beverage with sugar in it, like a thing, a Pepsi, a Coca-Cola, or whatever with sugar. I go get now. So you have to cut out sugar completely out of your life. I'm still again. I'm still saying nice.
Yeah, it's something nice. Do it nice, I can't hear, but you want to hear twice.
So you're going. You see me now? Your tea fresh. And imagine said sweet. Seems to have a good week. Yo!
Well guys, wow, that was intense. It's been a while. I haven't worked out like that, trust me. Hey, that was a workout, you know. I have to big up to Trish as well too. I can't even hold up my camera. God, my arms them, I have to rest my my arm on the bar right here. I can't even hold up the camera. Imagine, I cannot hold up my camera. So you know, it's until the next day. You know, I need to get back into my routine of exercising because I used to do this a lot, guys. You know, and I stopped for so long. It's been a while. I haven't done something like this long. You know, playing football is different because you have the endurance, but the physical thing, I haven't done it in a while. Trust me, in a while. And boy, I'm feeling that right now, man. Feeling it right now. Feeling the shock.
It's a challenge that we got here. I gotta learn to do a pull-up.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, so I'm going. I was gonna give you some money, but I'll wait till I just give you the whole lot.
Oh, tomorrow you can give me.
Yeah.
For the trip?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow you give me.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do some pull-ups?
No, I want to learn how to do
The pull-ups.
pull-up, and then eventually do a muscle up.
Oh.
You know what a muscle up is?
Muscle up. Which one is that one?
The muscle up is where they go up, they go up, and then they come right up on the bar, and then
Oh, okay.
you know right?
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't done that one. I just do the pull-ups.
I gotta practice the pull-up, like.
And that's the easier one you're doing, you know.
Eh?
And that's the easier one.
Really?
Yeah.
You can do it
The harder one is when your hand is out wide.
like this?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do that.
That is the harder one. You feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me show you. See that? I'm saying my hands we can hold it. So this will be the easier one because this is for the inside.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you can do it.
And this one is the harder one now. Yeah.
Yeah, but you still can do it though. I want to do the muscle up. So when you go muscle up now, you
You're all the way on top.
yeah, you go up. They go up here like this, and they come up.
All the
And
way
they go
up.
all the way up. You understand? And they come up on the top,
Yeah.
and then they do a dip.
Yeah. And that
That guy
takes.
there, the fruits man,
He's good at
dangerous
it.
on it, man.
Yeah.
He's dangerous on the muscle up. Serious, man. He just does it because he climbs coconut trees, innit?
Oh, so he's got the
Yeah.
upper strength.
He's got the upper strength. Let me try one more pull up and then see.
Just pull yourself up. Just pull it. Just try the one. Just one. Pull yourself. Pull.
I've done a lot of arm work today.
Yeah. That's the same here.
Yeah, I've done a lot of arm work today.
Guys,
Every day.
yeah.
Every day we're gonna try a pull up at least once or twice. Try and get that arm strength up. This is why I do a lot of the back
Yeah, right
work
there.
on there to get used to the weight of the body pulling it up.
Yeah.
But it's getting that bend in the arms, you know what I mean? That's the issue.
I've done so much on my arms I can't even
done a
manage
lot.
that.
You've done
Even
good today.
two. Can't do 2 pull-ups.
You've done really good. Proud of you, man. To say you just come like that,
Yeah.
and it's been a long time, you've done really good.
Caught you by surprise, right?
You did. You
Caught
did.
you by surprise. See, I like to surprise people, you know, guys. You know, I like to surprise.
There's a lot in you, man. There's a lot in you.
Yes. And it takes a lot, guys. I'm telling you, it takes a toll. It's been a while I haven't been there, and trust me, I got that factor, that sick factor.
Yes, babe.
Yeah, so right now I'm done. Done
We
for
are
now.
done today.
Yeah,
Hilltop has been great.
yes.
It's been great having you as well.
Yeah, man, thanks for
You know what I mean?
inviting, you know.
I hope you don't become a stranger. I hope we see you more often.
Definitely,
You know what I mean?
definitely for
And we
sure.
can follow the growth of your muscles and the strengthening of your body and that
Yeah.
wealth getting up.
Hey.
You're elevating. You know what I mean?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Up
cool.
there.
Up there, up there.
Yeah. Guys, so if you're here and you're ready, you want to come and join, feel free. You know, they're right at Queens Hill, right on Queens Hill Drive, up the hill. You know, up on the hill. See? Can't miss it. Right here. General, big up yourself, you know, anything. One coach.
I want to find out what we are cook today, that's my problem. Who names sir?
General,
So we are doing, we have to film the other way.
You have to service and
Big up yourself. I mean, so we are the general from the clubs, you know.
Black pepper.
Locked up pepper. One of them they want to catch it definitely. Yeah. Locked up pepper. Yes, yes. This guy will move. Yes guys, it's a wonderful day today. You know, so we're gonna head out now till another day. So I guess I'm gonna rest today till tomorrow. You know?
I find the body and touch it. May I blend up this with egg?
Yeah.
Cinco Bible. And drink it, man.
You see them, man? I see them, man.
Just eat it. You don't want to eat it. Just blend it with salt.
You can't eat it, but you can't be heard. You see them, it's a yellow part. Listen to me, I want to listen to me good count and talk on the ground, man. You see them, you can't dry them and part them. Them are one of the best things, you know. Them are, you know.
Team can get from this ground.
Yeah, I want to stone up.
Make it quail first in a general.
Yeah. You see them, you see that yellow something, I mean, I tell you trip in the AI when you lost it.
Yeah.
You run with all fridge come out the AI.
What happened?
Just cut it.
If you put it in your eye, you know the yellow
Cut
bit,
it to the yellow part of the drip.
drip it in your
Drip
eye.
that the AI when you want to sleep tonight and see what empty. All fridge come out the AI.
See here?
Everything run out?
Yeah,
Come out the
everything
AI,
run
then
out.
it's gonna ask you. We have to wash up now, man.
And to get some of that.
Yeah. So guys, until another day, you know it goes already. Blessed love, blessed love. Well guys, well. Ouch, sun is burning. So you know, I'm here up by Mama River. You know, come to see Cranberry. You remember Cranberry? The one who I was call my daddy, you know, so she been texting me and been calling me and tell me, say daddy, say she ain't going to school, you know, so I guess she ain't have no lunch money, so I come to bless her with something for her to go to school. You know, because you know Cranberry she always call me daddy, you know, my adopted daughter. So I have to make sure I come and she's okay. You know, so I'm coming to check, you know, what she's doing. But guys, listen, I can't even hold the camera up too much because my shoulders and my arms is weak after that workout. I'm telling you. If you notice how low the camera is, wait, let me change hands. Wow, that was some intense training, boy. Trish, you put me through it, boy. You put me through it. It's been a while, you know. It's been a while. But boy, whenever I hear river water, it's like I get traumatized. It's like I don't want to hear no river water. None. So I'm getting up here on ground, you know what? Let me get my sea moss. I got my spirulina in the car. Let me grab my spirulina. It's sea moss, some coconut water. And the best thing, I'll just go and sit down and listen to this river flow. But guys, I'm telling you, the workout have me away. It's no joke, it really have my arms away, heavy. Yes, I was drinking this spirulina moss. And I got my coconut water that I make the man put the coconut water inside this bottle. So I got 2 of them here. I should the 2 of them there. And then it's been a while I haven't passed to Living Food, you know, to get some nice Ital food or Ibo spice. Which one is your choice right now after all of this workout? So after I'm gonna give Cranberry some change, you know, to help her to that school, and then I'll head back down them sides. A lot of guineas on the ground. Whenever I hear the sound of river water, it's like whenever I hear that sound of river water, it's like you know what I'm talking about, boy. I don't see it, I hear it right now. Cranberry! Cranberry! Oh, she gone. Eh? Alright. Well, I guess them say Cranberry She gone to school this morning. Yeah, so she gone to school this morning. That's good. Right here is cool. So cool. Like they get some rain up here, you can see. They got some rain. Imagine if cranberry they have peer problem right now. Peer problem. Check out the wilderness. Yes, you know what? I'm going to take a shower in this river right there. So, take a shower right at the edge of the river. Quick cool down. I take a quick cool down after the workout session. Quick. So my eyes will be wide open. Wide open. Just. See Cranberry Mom coming down. Cranberry Mom, she's coming down. She and the next two kids then. I will just leave it to the mom, you know, so she can help out with Cranberry. Because if I go, I might not know when I'm gonna come back. Yes, I'll just leave it to the mom. So. This morning she went.
They said the man signed a card for me saying there's a free handling, but he never get it. But yesterday somebody ended up
Okay. Okay, so you'll be for to get a change and give her so she can go to school. That's good. Yeah. That Cranberry about she want to go to school.
Yeah.
I imagine. At what time she finish?
Oh, after 2.
After 2. What time now? Early? Still early still. Hello. Red ears. May I give you one change for gear, yeah?
Alright.
Just tell her someone come drop that off.
Alright, thank you so much. You know she did it, she the gas still.
Yeah. But she will voice note me.
Alright.
You know she always a voice note me, so she will voice note me. And she will say, thank you daddy. She has something else, you know. She's something else, boy. It's been raining up here.
Yeah. But the water jar drawn out.
Right.
You know, when Sunday the people them they now water and the way the river come down, they not even know the river come down. They not up and escape go over that side. A good thing Boomer did there. Boomer that for help save my clothes them come they end up go come the girl in here.
Yeah.
By the time he come back, he save some of my clothes them, him say it too late, so he could save everything. But him end up save them uniform. That was the most important. Come they put them up on the top.
Yeah.
But next time when me I go again, I just remember say we just bring up everything up on my house.
Some people there in the river come down quick on them. The water never change.
And you know say the rain never start falling now. And the river always give warning when it come down. You just see water just start get dirty.
Yeah.
When you see it start get dirty, you know say if you come out.
Yeah.
And the boom at the end of it and tell them, but the people them never did listen until them see it start come down heavy and then have to end up cross them.
Yeah. So whenever the river coming, it get brown, right?
Yeah.
That's the warning sign. Well,
but some people don't understand it. They might say ground is so dirty, but you have to check. You can't just say it dirty and then you never check. Because sometimes it can be round so too, no?
Yeah.
Because you can see round so get brown, but a way up on the top. If you don't go round so and check on the top itself. Oh, last night the man were around so dicky. Him get up this morning and ask me your father if him
wash way. The other day up at Castleton Garden.
you know say somebody did watch it. Should I pray?
Yeah.
Should I pray that can find him?
Yeah. That make it paranoid. So I just do some exercise and I say, boy, water look like I can wash off quick and fast, you know, but still paranoid same way.
SD John from there, so
Yeah.
from the same place.
Yeah, them say.
Sometimes them tell us say that you have to just free the person.
Yeah.
So if I mean now and me come from the place and move to go back to the river, they have many rivers to go to.
Of course.
Who do want to go to the river there?
Some people are coming there as well.
But the river you never yet stop run. So most of the river is a blessing.
This one?
It never yet stop run. If every river dry up in Jamaica, it's never yet
Never
dry up.
dry up.
And all the people come and they know say if you go down a Jiggy, you can see how much silver. When them train at the river, them bless the water. Anybody who come, them normally bless the water here. And if you come like early in the morning, you see pastor come up here
And bless it.
and bless the water. Before me go baptize the people, them bless the water.
I'm not a silver, I'm got paper.
But a whole heap of people come. So I know say normally when the people them come, them always say them want come here to live. Especially up here, so.
Yeah, up here so nice. Somebody I build up something over there.
Yeah, one shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's at yours, so.
Oh, here just a shop. They have no silver for bless the water. Alright, now I want to bless the water. Come here really well a quick wash off. You know? Paranoid. I'm so far.
Before time and
True.
sometimes when you see them things happen, they like an angel over you. I could have said
Name?
leader.
Yeah. Leader boy. Rest in peace, bro. Rest in peace. It make me paranoid. Me a man who love river water, so I'm paranoid now about river.
Them tell us what you know them always say if something for happen, you can't stop it from happening.
Yeah, you can't stop it.
You can't stop it none time from happening. So you know say that happen, you just know you get wise up. Cranberry now move.
She now move. I see that man, cranberry. It's cranberry. Yeah. I don't want
Joy.
Joy.
Alright then. Have a safe journey going back home.
Yes, that's well a quick wash off.
Alright then.
And take my time going.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, so I will a quick wash off right here, so some crisp. That's right here, so. Nowhere else. Nah, like it was so tempted to wash off and scary at the same time, you know. Tempted to wash off and scary at the same time. So I think I got enough water now. It's not enough that I usually take, but that's good enough for me now, right now. I don't want no more water right now. I am good with that. So body feel a bit cool down, you know, from the workout. So see, can lift my arms up now. So yeah, the cold water, kind of the water is very cold as well too. So that helps cool down the body. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's one of the most frightening shower I relaxed in a river I ever had. I was so paranoid, I was looking around every time. I was so paranoid. So guys, I live in this nice river, so I'm gonna go down to what's it called, living food, to get some living food right now, you know, before I head down into, you know, get some living food in my system, you know. So it's a well, so it's been a good day. So I need that now to complete my day. Living food.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.